Hello. I'm outside eating in nature. Just eat my banana first. This is an idea from a commenter named Tony Montana. He's a big fan of Scarface. But he suggested I do a mukbang outside. Or in public, I think he said, but it was pretty nice out here. Really change up a pace. I'm getting covered with mosquitoes. Anyway, I noticed on this pepper that there's a bit of mold right on the stem on the outside of it. So that's not a good sign. Let's see what the inside looks like today. Well, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, that's fine. Just drop some seeds here. Maybe some pepper plants will grow here one day. For anybody who watches my other channels, I made a painting video for how to paint cats. This is pretty much the same location. I just had fresh salmon for dinner. The fish only died today, pulled right from the river. I realized I forgot my bong. Probably no bong today. My first mukbang without the use of drugs. Am I doping in the world of is there any competition with eating? I guess it'd be speed eating. Oh man, I forgot. I got a film to show you. I'm going to show it to you right now. The play button's behind the camera, sorry. The RV park in Kitwanga is the most likely space you'll find yourself if you are passing through. When you are here, there are amenities such as the shower and laundry, and all the hookups for your RV, and plenty of green space to wind down and relax. There is also space to tent it, and plenty of trails to hike if you wish to do so. And of course, if you want to experience Kitwanga once you leave the front gate on foot, you could either go left or right onto Nature's Way Trail. It's about 3 kilometers and it's in a circle, so you will end up returning to the park in roughly an hour, depending on how relaxed your walk is. I'm Garrett Perry, and I love my hometown. All right. What do you think? I had another shoot yesterday. That's why I didn't make another little film like that, because I had an art video to do. But I plan to make another one of those short videos on Monday, I think. Just feeding the mosquitoes while I'm out here feeding. break off a few of these. All of them. No! And drop my pepper. Yeah. I'm fertilizing. Feel mosquitoes on my back. I feel ants on my feet. Nature. There's, I'm gonna pull some of this grass. This grass, I'm like touching my thighs. Maybe if I film another one of these outside, I should try to get a mountain in the background. Do a Bruce checkup. Practically all gone. There's like a little bit of bruise right here at the very end that hasn't healed yet. And the boil up here is feeling mean and huge. Oh, I don't know if it's gone down in the last couple days. But I did go to a hospital and they said it was nothing to be worried about unless it gets infected. So I'm just to keep an eye on it. I was feeling pretty sluggish there for a few days too, right after the boil burst. And I think it might have had something to do with the blood in my system, but the doctor said it had nothing to do with it, so I'm tending to believe the emergency room doctor more than myself. So maybe the bruise was just so big that, and it was swollen too, that I had it in my mind that it had to be affecting me somehow. And I just went back to a time not too long ago, a year ago, when I was drinking upwards to a case of Coke a day. That's like 4 liters of Coca-Cola. And that's practically all sugar. So yeah, it's feeling really sluggish. It wasn't unfamiliar. It felt like normal for a while. And I didn't like it, because I'm feeling better lately. I heard it land on the tin roof of my dad's shed. Well, It is an apple core. I'm assuming that one will get eaten by a bird, probably. Especially if it's easy to see like that on a tin roof, so everything else I threw around here probably won't. Oh yeah. The pepper head. I'll throw it that way. It has a lot of seeds on it, maybe. My friend Tony Montana keeps objectifying my body. And I'm not sure if I'm okay with that. Because he's the only one. Just feeling bit up everywhere. Yeah, some of this hay grass is just like rubbing against my thigh. And I feel like it's a mosquito every time, so I'm just gonna do some gardening. Go away. Go away. When I call cut, you could come back and hit the stop record, but I just don't need you hanging around. Oh, I hate that dog. I hate these dogs. Damn. I'm just feeling mosquitoes everywhere. I just want to get this over and done with. Just so I can go back. Go away! That dog's smelling my food. Go. Go away. God damn. I'm just exposed. sure I'm just feeding mosquitoes. Oh my god. Just feeling the mosquitoes. That one I saw. That one's an ant. The last one. I guess that's the mukbang. I don't want to end the video here, so I'm not going to. Feels so wrong to not have a toke, so I'll see you in a little minute. Hey! Yeah, I just didn't want to say goodbye without taking a toke. I've done a toke with every installment, so I just set up quickly in my room. And I'm just going to take a massive toke. This one might even put me into another universe. If this is, if this is all lining up with all the other universes where I exist in. It's been nice being a fat bitch on this universe. Hopefully I'll get to go in that universe when I'm surrounded by fat bitches. So close. Wasn't quite big enough. Anyway, that's it. Thanks so much for watching my mukbang. I wonder if anybody's ever eaten along with me yet. That would have been a neat experience. I hope they comment when it happens.